Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline, also known as Ambai, and for this video we're going to make these clovers. I'm going to show you how to make a 3-leaf clover that you can also add one more round for it to become this lucky 4-leaf clover. And if you have some extra jump rings laying around in your house or your craft table, you can attach it because this is a decent size that can go on your keychain. Just a cute keychain that you want to take it out for a spin if you're going out to celebrate or something. It's a decent size for that, so we're gonna make that. I just want to show that there's actually this is about the same. There's a slight different way of making the stem. For this one, you can see that the stem is going straight into the 4 leaves right there, and this one it kind of curve a little bit. So I will show you how to do that, whichever way you would prefer to make yours. So we're gonna start. You're gonna need your green yarn. I'm using this green from Mainstays. It recommends a 5.5, but I'm gonna use my 3.75. I know I use that a lot, but it's just that I like the things that I make that are small, and this is the perfect hook for that, so I use that a lot. So we're gonna start by making a magic ring, and this is how I make my magic ring. Pull that out of my fingers, and you're gonna start with a chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now make 2 double crochet into the magic ring, and to make a double crochet you're gonna yarn over, put your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull up. You should have 3 loops on the hook. You're gonna yarn over, pull through 2 first, then yarn over and pull through the final 2 loops on the hook. So that's your first. You're gonna make 1 more, and then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the magic ring. Then you're gonna chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Make 2 double crochet. 1, 2, then chain 3. 1, 2, and 3, and slip stitch back into the magic ring. We just made 2 petals. You're gonna repeat this one last time for our 3rd petal. 2, then chain 3, and slip stitch back into the magic ring. Chain 1. You can go ahead and close this magic ring, and I did chain 1 already. I'm gonna do 7 more, so total of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I think this is a decent enough stem that goes with this. Now you're gonna skip that first one, make a single crochet, and then slip stitch the rest of the chain. 1 slip stitch, another slip stitch all the way down. Once you reach the last chain, you can slip stitch back into that magic ring, chain 1 and cut your yarn. And this is your 3-leaf clover. Now for the 4-leaf, you're gonna make one more. So you have 3 here, you're gonna make one more, so chain 3, and once you have 4 in the magic ring, you can now close the magic ring. Then chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Skip the first chain, single crochet into the next one. Then 1 slip stitch along the stem. You want to try to make the slip stitch loose, relatively loose. Once you reach the last chain, make a last slip stitch. And now for this slightly curved stem, you're going to slip stitch into that chain 4. So like right at the bottom where the chain 1 is. You don't want to go into the actual chain, because that is just gonna stretch this chain 4 here. You want to go into the chain space, but as close as you can to that first chain. And then make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut your yarn. And now you're gonna see that your stem is slightly off center. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. So this is how I attach my shamrock. I just added 2 jump rings into the top and put it into my keychain ring. Oh, I just took it off. I did not mean to do that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.